Welcome back, everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. What we are going over today is going to be the Harbor Freight Spring Black Friday sale. I went and I picked up 5 things today, and that's what we're going to go over to see what I picked up. So let's check out my little tool haul. The first thing I picked up here is going to be the Icon 9-inch adjustable joint channel pliers. A lot of the people call these channel locks. Channel lock is actually a company name. That's just a generic name thrown around with these. But what these are basically the tongue and groove. You can't really see it in there. Maybe you can see it with that. You got the tongue and grooves in here on this one. This is an old style plier set. Now, why did I pick these up? I do have the Quinn ones, but I'm switching everything over to Icon, and I want them for comparison videos. So what I did on this one, normal price on this one is $21.99. Sales price was $14.29 with the 35% off. That was saving you $7.70. Next up here, I picked up the Icon 10-inch plier wrench set with comfort grip on there. These are the ones that are kind of like the Kinetics where you got the button down here and you can adjust it. Now, unlike the last ones we just saw, these have a smooth mouth on there so that it don't have no teeth to grab. That makes this nice for things that you want to be a little more delicate with, and these will really grab on there with the design of these. Now, these were originally $39.99. I picked them up for $26 even with the 35% off. That is saving $13.99. Not a bad deal at all. Give you a little bit better look at those. I think I'm going to really enjoy these ones. Let's move on to the next one. All right, the next ones we got here are the Icon 8-inch slip joint pliers. The reason why I wanted these is because on these, there's 3 positions on these instead of 2 like most of the other ones, and I thought they'd be really handy to have here. Once again, this is going to be replacing the Quinn ones that I got in my blue toolbox over here. All my Quinn stuff will be going into the toolbox in the house, but I really wanted to pick this up because once again, this is another one just like the last one. They're just over $20, so when they do the sale of anything under $20, these aren't included no more, so that's why I snagged them up now. So these 8-inch ones here normally are $21.99. I picked them up for $14.29, and with a 30% off once again, that is saving $7.70. Now, next up here, these ones I've been really dying to get my hands on. My Harbor Freight hasn't had them in stock a lot lately, but they had plenty in stock for this sale going on now. What we have here is the Icon 9-inch long nose slip joint pliers. Once again, they got their 3 adjustments on here, and these are the ones that you see people picking up quarters and dimes by the edge with. I think that's really cool, and I wanted to get my hands on these to try them out, and there will be videos on all these coming up here soon. I do got one more to show you, but let's go ahead and go over to sales price on this one. This one was $29.99. Sales price on it was $19.49, and with the 35% off, we were saving $10.50 on that. Not a bad deal at all. I'm really excited to try these ones out. And the final one we got here is the Icon 7-inch diagonal cutters. These are going to be replacing my Quinn ones also. Just wanted to go to the Icons on this to put in my tool chest over here. So these are the 7-inch ones. So regular price on these, once again, were $21.99. So they were just out of the $20 and below when they have all those sales. So we got them for $14.29, and the 35%, once again, we're saving $7.70 on this. So I do have a couple of bad disappointments, if I could talk here. I wanted the flush cuts, but my store is out of them, so I'm going to be watching their app all week long to see if they get the flush cuts in, because I really want to get the flush cuts. But let's go over what I spent here. My total on this without tax was $88.36 just for those 5 sets of pliers there. Not a bad deal at all. So my total savings on this was $47.59. That is a great deal right now. You know, they do got Doyle pliers and a couple other ones that are on sale also, but I just like the Icon, and I always buy Icon when it's on sale. I never pay full price for Icons, so that was a smoking deal. So my total with tax was $94.41. Like I said, the additional savings $47.59. Now is the time to buy this stuff. What I want to know is if you guys have been there already today, because this is Monday, the start of the sale for I2C members. What did you guys pick up? Or if not, what are you guys going to pick up? Leave a comment down below. I like talking with you guys down there and hearing what you're going to pick up. So as always, don't forget to check my link tree out down below. Down there, I got some links that do help out the channel. Some got discount codes to save you guys money. Stuff like that helps me afford to buy these tools to do videos like this and review videos for you guys. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.